Hi, kindergarten. Today we are learning how to use the 10 frame. What is a 10 frame? Well, this is a 10 frame. A 10 frame is just a bunch of boxes, and there are, guess how many? 10. And 10 boxes that can help you see a number very easily. Okay, so here we have a 10 frame, but you are going to need your own 10 frame. You can make this pretty easily. All you need is a plain piece of paper. So you can take a plain piece of paper and a crayon. If you have a ruler, it will help you make nice straight lines. So I'm going to draw a few 10 frames on this paper. And I'm not actually even going to just draw one. I'm going to draw 3 10 frames. So I'm going to take my paper. I'm using this binder just because it's nice and hard. And then I take my ruler and I make a straight line. If you have a ruler, it will make it a little easier for you if you use your inches side of your ruler and you make it 5 inches long. So I'm going to take a black crayon and go from the 0 all the way to the 5. Make the line nice and dark so you can see it. Then I'm going to come down a little bit, about an inch. If you're not sure how much an inch is, you can use that ruler to look. Okay, so about an inch. Does not have to be perfect, and your lines don't have to be perfectly straight. Then you make another line that's 5 inches. And then you do it one more time. Right. There you go. Now you have 5-inch lines. Now you're going to make some straight up and down lines. You need a line at the front of your boxes and at the end. Then you'll draw 4 more lines in the middle to make it 10 boxes altogether. If you used your ruler, you can go to the 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch spots. Now you have a 10 frame. Look, you made your own 10 frame. I'm going to let you pause the video and you can make some more 10 frames. I'm going to pause the video too. And then we'll come back together when we have 3 10 frames on our paper. How'd it go? Were you able to make 3 10 frames? Well, if you would like, you can do this in a few ways. Do you have any of these at home? They're little sheet protectors. If you want to slide your 10 frame into the sheet protector, you can use it over and over and over again, and it will work great. I'm going to slide mine in there. Now I have mine in a sheet protector and I can use it. But if you don't want to do that, that's fine too. You can just use your plain paper. And then you're going to need something to cover it with. If it's in a sheet protector, you can use a marker, a dry erase marker, and you can make marks, and then when you need to erase them, because you're going to do something different, you can erase them. It's pretty cool. But there's another way to do it too. You can take a scrap of colored paper. And I used red because I had this little red piece, and I cut out circles. You could cut out squares or triangles, but you need them to be small enough to fit inside your boxes. And these are going to be your counters. A counter can be a circle or a square or a triangle, it doesn't matter. But you will use these as you count. Follow along with me as we use 10 frames. I'm not going to use my paper 10 frame, I'm going to use my big 10 frame up here so you can see what I'm doing. But you can use your paper 10 frame and use counters, or your paper 10 frame and draw to show different numbers. Okay. I will use the big one. I have some stuffed animals. How many stuffed animals do I have in here? Well, it's hard to know. How can I figure this out? Counting. Wonderful. Well, as I count, I'm going to make sure I don't forget any. So I have another basket. So here's one basket that I'm going to put the stuffed animals in as I count them and take them out of this basket. Okay. Each time I move one stuffed animal over, I'm also going to make a mark on my 10 frame. You can use your counters or make a mark on yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. I have, how many? I forgot already. How many animals do I have? Do I have to count them again? Oh, that was hard to hold all of those things and move them. I don't want to count them again. What can I do? I can use that 10 frame. I made the 10 frame to match the stuffed animals. So I look here and I can count the number of dots or the number of counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7! I was going to do that on my little board. Look, there's this little extra space on the side. You can write the number 7. 7. I have 7 stuffed animals. Let's try that again. This time, instead of my stuffed animals, let's look in here. In this basket, I have some balls. How many balls do I have? Well, let's count. And as I count, I'm going to make marks on my 10 frame again. I better erase the old marks so I don't get confused. So you might need to clear the counters off of your board if you only have one 10 frame. But if you have 3 10 frames, you can just use the next one. So let's make a mark each time we count one of these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, these two match. They look the same. That's cool, huh? Okay, and then here's another. Uh-oh. What number was I on? I don't remember. Good thing I have my 10 frame. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next one will be 8. 8. And 9. 9. I have 9 on my 10 frame. If I wanted to do that on my small 10 frame, it could look like this. And I can write the number 9. Here we go, 9. What is this? Another ball? Let's add that ball in. Okay, so I have 1 more. So I will draw 1 more. How much do I have now? 10. You are right. 9 and 1 more is 10. I want to show that on my last 10 frame. This time I want to show you using my dots. They won't stick, so I have to hold it kind of funny. I hope you can see. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, my breath made it move. There's 10, and I can write 10. Ta-da! Can you see that bottom one? It's hard to see. I'm going to turn it, and they're all going to fall off. Ah! It's a little easier if I write it. There we go. So this is how you can use a 10 frame to help you count. And you can even use the 10 frame to compare the numbers. Is this the same number as this? No. You can see this has more. This has fewer dots. So 7 is fewer than 9. Awesome. You have done a great job today. I hope you can make a 10 frame and practice counting things around your home. Have a good day.